Okay. This is the sixth class. This is the sixth class of thermal properties of matters. Thermal properties of matter. Ideal gases equation. Ideal gases equations. Boyle's law. We know that at a constant temperature, the volume of a given mass inversely proportional to pressure. Okay. We know that explanation. If P and V of the pressures and volume of a given mass at constant temperature, according to this, Boyle's formula stated that V proportional to inversely proportional to 1 by P. Inversely proportional to 1 by P. Okay. Next, at a constant temperature, this phenomenon is happened at a constant temperature, and V is equals to K into 1 by P, PV equals to K at constants. P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. That's you know in previous class or in junior class we have studied this phenomenon. Is P is y-axis and V is the x-axis, then the curve is like this. Okay, and temperature at a constant temperature. The curve is called the isothermal curve. T is constant. Okay. Next, Boyle's law in terms of density. You can write here. Consider a gas mass m and pressure V and volume V. Sorry, pressure P, volume V, and their density rho. Just we can convert it V in terms of rho. Okay. But for the Boyle's law, PV equals to constant or P by, if I put the value V equals to m by rho. So m is constant. So we can write P by rho equals to constant. At a constant temperature of a given masses, the pressure is directly proportional to the density. Okay, P1 by P2 equals to rho 1 by rho 2. This P by rho is theta at temperature. Okay, two vessels of V1, V2 contain a gas under the pressure P1 to P2 respectively at joint at the same temperature, and the common pressure is P equals to, when the two vessels their volume V1 and V2 and pressure P1 and P2 mix together, then we will get the common pressures. Okay, then the pressure equals to P1 by P2 P1 V1 plus P2 V2 by V1 plus V2. Okay, the second vessel is evacuated on then P equals to P1 V1 by P2 V2. The ideal gas, a gas which obeys the Boyle's and Charles law strictly at all temperature and pressure is called a perfect or a ideal gas. The ideal gas has molecules of point size. The total internal energy of an ideal gas is U equals to sum of kinetic energy of all molecules. Total energy equals to kinetic energy of all molecules. Real gas. The gas which obeys Boyle's law at low pressure and high temperature is called real gas. The gas which obeys Boyle's law at low pressures and high temperature is called real gas. Real gas has molecules at a finite size. The total internal energy is U. Then total energy is equals to sum of potential energy and sum of kinetic energy of molecules. Okay, let's some MCQ here. At constant temperature, the volume of given mass of gas is to be dash to its pressure, directly proportional, equal, inversely proportional, unequal. It will be inversely proportional. Next, an ideal gas obeys Boyle's and Charles law at temperature and with on pressures. A gas which obey Boyle's law at low temperature and high temperature is called, it will be ideal gas. Sorry, it will be real gas. Next, application of Boyle's law. Application of Boyle's law. No needs to here. That's you can skip here. Okay. Explain is no need. We study this phenomena. We will study is the liquid. What is the liquid? Okay. Charles law. Okay, statement. Charles law at constant pressure. At constant pressure, the volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature of a Kelvin scale. V proportional to T, or volume equals to kT. Explanation. Let V0 and Vt be the volume of a given mass of gas at 0 degree C and T degree C respectively at constant pressures. From that definition of volume coefficient of a gas, Vt equals to V0 1 plus alpha T. P equals to P1 V1 by V1 plus V2. Okay. Charles law at a constant volume. Statement. At a constant volume, the pressure of a mass, given mass of a, directly proportional to the temperature. Okay. P proportional to T and P equals to KT. If you omit the proportional sign, then we will get P equals to this. Let P0 and Pt the pressures of a given mass of a gas T0 temperature and T temperature respectively at a constant volume. From the definition, the pressure coefficient of the gas, please remind it, Pt equals to P0 1 plus beta T, please remind it. And what will be the beta? Beta value equals to 1 by 273.15. Okay. Keeping the temperature of a gas constant, if the pressure changes P1 to P2, let the volume changes V1 to V. The ideal gas or perfect gas equation. P1 V1 T1, P2 V T1, P2 V2 T2. Boyle's law, Charles law. Okay. Consider an ideal gas of mass M having pressure P1, volume V1 and absolute temperature T1. Then let the final value of pressures, volume and temperature of a gas be P2, V2, T2 and the change occupy in two steps. Okay. According to Boyle's law, the volume of a given mass of a gas has constant pressures inversely proportional to its pressures. That is, pressure into volume equals to constant. P1 V1 equals to P2 V2 and V equals to this. Now keeping the pressure constant like this, we will get this is very key. The volume of a absolute temperature, volume, that is volume by absolute temperature, is remain constant. Then V by T1 equals to V2 by T. So we can find out the V of unknown value, that is V. From this equation 1 and 2, we can write P1 V1 by V2, T1 V2 by T2, P1 V1 T1 equals to P2 V2 by T2. P by V, PV by T equals to constant. Okay. That is PV by T equals to this and R equals to PV equals to RT. For a mass M of a gas, PV equals to MRT and the value of R depend on the nature of the gas. Nature of the gas, that is its value is directly proportional, is its value is different for different gases. That is SI unit of R is joule G to the power minus 1 Kelvin to the power minus 1. When 1 mole of gas is considered, P by T, PV by T ratio is the same for all gases and it's called universal gas constant R. PV by T equals to R and PV equals to RT. So this formula, n mole of gas, the ideal gas equation will be changed. Just we have to multiply n. PV equals to nRT. Notes. Then R value is joule mole to the power minus 1 Kelvin to the power minus 1 and R value is 8.314. The dimension will be m L square to the power minus 1 Kelvin to the power minus 1 mole to the power minus 1. Okay. If the gas physical parameters P1, V1, T1 is mixed with another gas P2, V2, T2, then the resultant mixture is, what will be this, P1, V1 by T1 plus P2, V2 by T2 equals to common volume, pressure and temperature related with respect. If the air bubble reaches from the bottom of a lake to the top, then the V1 and V2 be the volume of the air bubble and T1 and T2 they are the temperature of the bubble and top of the lake. Then the reach of the radius, then their reach of the radius, that is bubbles, then H by capital H plus small h into R1 to the power q by T1 equals to R to the power R2 q by T2. MCQ. V proportional to gives which constant? Which law? It will be Charles law. P proportional to gives us dash at constant volume. Which one? Charles law, Boyle's law, Dalton's law of pressures, Lucas law, Charles law. Ideal gas equation in terms of the Boltzmann's constant. Ideal gas equation in terms of Boltzmann constant. The Boltzmann's constant K is defined as the universal constant per moles. Na is the Avogadro numbers of moles and PV equals to nRT, where n is the number of moles and R equals to Nk. R equals to Nk. N is the number of Avogadro numbers and K is the Boltzmann's constant. Okay. So N equals to total number of moles, total number of moles by Avogadro number, then we can find out the moles. Okay. PV equals to N by Na into RT. So you can write N by Na equals to number of moles, PV equals to nRT, where N is the number of moles present in gas and K is the Boltzmann's constant. Okay. Calculation of universal gas constant. Universal gas constant is the temperature is the gas constant for 1 moles of gas in its same for all gases, since at the same temperature and pressures 1 moles of any gas occupy the same volume. Experimentally, it was found that 1 mole of gas occupy a volume of 22.4 liter at NTP. At NTP, P equals to H rho G 76, density 13.6 into 980 dyne per centimeter. Sorry, dyne per centimeter of centimeter square. T equals to 273. Volume of 1 gram of moles equals to 22400 cc. Universal gas constant R equals to PV by T and it will be calculating value 8.14. Okay, into 10 to the 7. Graph between P and V in different case. This is very important. Okay, this is P and this is V. This is origin. So this curve will be like this in we are shown in previous slide. Okay, constant pressure. This curve is called isothermal curve, and this curve P versus V, this temperature T1 and T2, it will be changes. Okay, it will be changes. T1, T2 greater than T1, then the curve is like this. Okay, next, M is constant, M is the mass of the gas, and M is the molecular weight of the gas. See curve M1 and M2, two masses. Okay, where M2 greater than M1, then the curve is like this. This is also called the isothermal curve. And PV or G, this curve M2 at M and T and constant. Okay, what is different? What is the difference? I think so. Follow T. Follow T. Something is wrong, I think so. Curve E, P and V for isochoric curve. This is called isobaric curve. This is isobaric means volume constant, and P means volume. Sorry, isochoric means volume constant. Isobaric means pressure constant. MCQ. What will be? This is Boltzmann's constant. Okay. Thank you.